What happens when a beloved TV doctor goes missing on a picturesque Greek island? Today, we're diving into the mysterious disappearance of Dr. Michael Mosley. Stay with us as we unravel the details and join the efforts to find him safe and sound. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. In today's video, we discuss the alarming disappearance of Dr. Michael Mosley, renowned diet guru and male columnist, who vanished while hiking on the Greek island of Symi. On Wednesday, Dr. Mosley, aged 67, set off on a hike along St. Nicholas Beach but never returned, sparking a massive search operation. Dr. Mosley's wife, Dr. Claire Bailey, raised the alarm when he didn't return by 7:30 p.m. Greek police have since launched an extensive search using drones, the Coast Guard, and even the fire brigade. They fear he may have fallen from a height during his hike. The search has been expanded, with officials even considering the possibility that Dr. Mosley might have suffered a medical emergency or been bitten by a snake. His colleague Martin Lewis and other TV personalities, including Jeremy Vine and Saleha Hassan, have expressed their concern and prayers for his safe return. Fans have also flooded social media with messages of support and hope. A local community Facebook group shared a photo of Dr. Mosley in the hopes that someone might have seen him. Meanwhile, temperatures on the island have been scorching, adding to the urgency of the search. Dr. Mosley is widely known for his diet plans like the Fast 800 and the 5:2 diet, as well as his advocacy for better sleep through diet. He and his wife were on holiday after completing a nationwide tour promoting healthy living. The entire British public and his colleagues are hoping for his safe return. That's a wrap for today's video. Our thoughts are with Dr. Michael Mosley and his family during this difficult time. Let's all hope for his safe return. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest news. Until next time, this is Celeb Explore Hub signing off.